Hey Mac football family. I'm Nate Yordy, class of 2015. I studied math and physics in my time at Macalester, earning a minor in computer science. And today I work for Target at their HQ here in Minneapolis as a senior strategy analyst. My team at Target crunches big data to drive the future strategy of Target's supply chain and ensure that we're evolving sustainably. My time at Macalester, in addition to teaching me the hard skills I needed to succeed in the world of data, taught me how to listen and how to learn from those around me, regardless of background or superficial differences. I believe that everyone around you knows something that's worth learning, and I certainly learned a lot from Coach Jennison and from my teammates, many of whom I remain very close to. I believe that Macalester helped me develop an appetite for listening and for being curious, two qualities that not only will make a difference in the workplace, but I think could also go a long way to bridging the gaps that we are seeing in our communities right now.